Hello, speaking Forex. This is Gregory again. It's currently 8:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, May 10th, 2012. And the trade that I would like to update you on is the Euro USD, the same pair that we've been following for the majority of the week. So we have one more trading day left in the week. So what do? If you look at the daily, this is where we are right now. Because remember, we closed beneath this purple line yesterday very significantly. So we were looking for moves to the downside. But yesterday was mainly a consolidation day. Not too much happened, and as you can see, that this consolidation day, what some people call squat bars, or this is inside day, or I forgot what they call it in candle terminology, but they all signify the same thing. It seems like there is a significant move made earlier today, which is not really normal for this particular pair. So not exactly sure what triggered that, but what I do see here is that we did have a rejection of this pin bar low here. So either this thing is consolidating for another day, or it's building up momentum to move to the downside for later in the day. So as price tends to increase, you may see significant selling pressure coming into the market. So one of the prudent things to do is to either sell beneath these breaks or sell at the top of this perceived short-term channel. So not really sure what's going on at this moment in time, but we can figure that out as time progresses. So I'm going to go down to the 1 hour chart and see what we have here, bring up a few pivot lines and kind of get a better perspective. So right now we are at a pivot line at 29.27, and there seems to be some type of rejection there, as you can see. So this may be a good opportunity to get in as well if you're looking to hold on for the longer term. But just keep in mind that we do have announcements in the US at 8:30 Eastern time. So we're quite a ways away from there. So you may see short-term volatility up until that point, because we do have Euro news being released tonight, and there's a lot of things that can fluctuate this particular currency pair over the course of the day. So it just really depends on how you want to trade it, when you get in and when you get out, where you set your stops. And you just got to keep in mind that if you do decide to trade this pair, it's better to, if you're going to trade it short term, just make sure you account for the volatility. And if you're trading more longer term, you have to account for it as well. And just understand that you may be stopped out if you're trading with tight stops, but that's just part of the game. So right now it is currently 8:08 p.m. Still have my short-term bias to the downside. As you can see, we've already broken the inside of this bar, and it seems like we've broken the bottom of this bar as well. And we're once we break the 2900 area, I think we have our next logical area of, let's see here, can't really find any. Maybe if I go down to the 8 hour chart. This is really good news, because if there's no support areas in the near future, okay, around 2880. Okay, so we are actually pretty close to significant support area at 2875. So that is roughly about 40 pips from where we are right now. So I think that if you're going to trade this pair, it's better to hold on for the short term. Maybe get that 40 or 50 pips, but I think longer term the ideal place, because once we break that area of 2880, we have 200 pips until we hit our next area of 2630. So there's more space between these 2 points as opposed to from this point and where we are right now. So there's not enough space here. There's a lot of traffic potential, a lot of volatility. We can definitely trade this if you want to. Just depends on a trader what you're looking for, but I do see that there's potential for a nice 40 or 50 pips here if you can withstand the volatility in the short term. So hope you had a look at my Kiwi trade. If you want to look for something less volatile, that may be a great alternative until we figure out what's going on with the Euro USD. And there's other US dollar pairs that you can trade as well, because different pairs have different risk parameters and different rewards scenarios. So you just have to evaluate and figure out exactly what you're looking for and trade accordingly. So this is Gregory. I'm signing out at 8:10. So hopefully we have a good last trading day for the week, and you guys have a good weekend. And I will be updating as usual every other day or so. So thanks for tuning in, and into the next video, green trades.